So let me go with the problem number 8. Right here, what they have given, let us check out here. One of the equal angles of an isosceles triangle. This is very important thing. One of the equal angles, that is, they have given equal angles of an isosceles triangle is measures 35 degree. Find the measure of all the angles of a triangle. That is what we need to find out, right? So see, one angle is an isosceles triangle. What happens? Isosceles triangle. So two angles are equal and two sides are equal. So one of the equal angles, that is one angle they have given 35 degree. This is equal angle. That's what one more angle I will go with 35 degree. So 35 which is going to become 70 degree of the sum of the two angles, but the sum of the angles of triangle, is equal to 180 degree. So this means 180 degree minus 70, which is going to be 110 degree. So that's what the angles of the triangles are. One is 110 degree, second one is 35 degree, third one is 35 degree. So this is the answer.